Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to my channel, where we make online shopping a breeze. Today, we're diving into how to change your credit card on Shein in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons or switching to a new card, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Shein has made some updates for 2025, so let's jump right in. First, open the Shein app or website on your device. Make sure it's the latest version to avoid any glitches. Updates often include better security features. Log in to your account using your email and password. If you're on the app, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. On the website, it's usually in the upper right as well. Once you're in your profile, look for the Settings or Account Settings option. This is your hub for all personal details. Scroll down until you find the Payment Methods section. It's often under Wallet or Billing in 2025's interface. Here, you'll see a list of your saved cards. To change one, select the card you want to update and hit Edit. If you're adding a new card, click Add Payment Method. Now, carefully enter your new credit card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to prevent any errors during checkout. After entering the info, tap Save or Confirm. Shein might prompt you for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone or email, especially with the enhanced security in 2025. Once verified, your new card will be active. A quick tip: if you encounter any issues, such as an error message, check your card details or contact Shein's customer support through the app. Always prioritize secure payments to protect your info. And that's it. You've successfully changed your credit card on Shein. This simple process keeps your shopping seamless. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech-savvy tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.